children, welcome to English literature class. How are you all? I hope all are doing well. Have you read the class last? Have you read the lesson? What I taught last class? Have you read the lesson? What I taught last class? I told you try to read the lesson more and more times. I am sure you have done. Keep it your good work. Now I am going to teach English literature chapter 4, the Tidy Toys part 2. Now I am going to teach English literature chapter 4, the Tidy Toys part 2. Okay, all of you take your English literature book. Page number 37, chapter 4, the Tidy Toys. First part, it means first page I already taught. Today I am going to teach next part. It means continuation of the story. Are you ready? Take page number 38. First I will read, then I will explain the lesson. Okay. One afternoon, Parul came back from school. She went to pick up a doll. It jumped out of her hands and said, "I don't want to play with you." Parul was very surprised. The same thing happened with every toy she touched. Finally, an old teddy bear said to her, "Are you surprised that we don't want to play with you? You always leave us so far away from our proper place, the place where we feel most comfortable and happy." Parul gasped in wonder. Do you have any idea how difficult it is for the books to climb back up onto their shelves, or for the pens to jump into their holders? Said a storybook. The cold floor is very uncomfortable. We don't play with you anymore until you promise to leave us in our little houses before you go off to bed, a pencil said. Parul remembered how comfortable and content she felt in her bed. She also remembered the discomfort she felt when she had once slept in a chair. She realized that she had treated her toys very badly. "I am sorry for my bad behavior," cried Parul. From that day, Parul always kept her toys nicely in their special places before she went to bed. Her parents were very happy to see the change in Parul. Hey, listen all of you. Now I am going to say all the summary of the lesson. Okay, all the summary of the lesson. Listen all of you. Parul is a small girl. She stays in her new house. She has full of storybooks, pencils and her favorite toys also. All evening she played with her toys before going to bed. But Parul is not cleaning the room when she went to bed. Daily, her mother is doing all the toys in proper place after she went to the school. Her parents told how to clean the room before going to bed, but she is not obeying. Afternoon, Parul picked up the doll. It jumped out of her hands and said, I don't want to play with you. Parul was surprised. The same thing happened with every toy. At last, an old teddy bear said to her, all time you are leaving us different places. Different places. We are not comfortable that place. We are not happy. Parul felt very sad because one day Parul slept in a chair. She felt very uncomfortable. She realized her mistake. Then she said, I am sorry. She cried. That day onwards, Parul kept her toys in their special places before she went to bed. It means the proper places she kept before going to bed. Her parents also very happy because to see the change in Parul. Nowadays, Parul is kept all the toys the proper place because her parents is very happy. Okay? Dear students, are you understand the story what I taught today? I hope all are understood. Listen all of you. You are also do what toys when you are playing with the toys. You are also try to keep that the proper places. Okay, you are also keep the things you kept the proper places. All the students you are also try to keep the proper places. Okay, understand all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.